There's a question circulating quietly, almost like people are afraid to say it out loud. Are we the last generation eating real meat? Not engineered meat, not lab-grown substitutes, not 3D printed protein paste shaped to look like a steak, but actual meat from actual animals raised on real farms. And the scary truth is, for the first time in human history, that question isn't dramatic, it's realistic. Before we unpack this, if you care about grass-fed beef, pasture-raised meats, small regenerative farms, and knowing exactly where your food comes from heading into 2026, go to timbosfoodbox.com. That's where I break down everything companies don't tell you. All right, let's dive in. We are living through the fastest shift in the food supply since the Industrial Revolution, and most people don't even know it's happening. In the last 2 years alone, companies have quietly accelerated the push toward bioengineered chicken, cell-cultured beef, and 3D printed meats designed to replicate real cuts. These products are entering grocery stores, fast food chains, meal kits, and frozen meals faster than consumers can keep up. And here's the part that feels surreal. This isn't happening because people asked for it. This isn't happening because real meat is disappearing. It's happening because engineered meat is more profitable. Engineered proteins freeze longer, store longer, ship cheaper, and bypass nearly every supply chain problem farmers struggle with. Companies can patent engineered proteins, meaning they can literally own the blueprint for the food source itself. Investors see dollar signs. Corporations see control. Consumers, most aren't even aware it's happening. Meanwhile, real farms, the small, local, honest ones, are fighting to stay alive. Talk to any rancher and they'll tell you, feed prices are rising, land taxes are rising, droughts hit harder, winters hit harder, and regulations tighten every year. Farming the old-fashioned way, raising animals on grass, rotating pastures, regenerating soil, costs money. It takes time and care and responsibility. Bioengineered meat requires none of that. A stainless steel tank doesn't need sunlight. It doesn't need land. It doesn't get sick. It doesn't require empathy or stewardship. And that's why big investors are betting on a future where they don't need ranchers at all. But here's what the public doesn't see. Real meat, actual meat from animals, is part of human evolution. Our teeth, our digestion, our muscle structure, everything about us developed around real animal protein. That connection has existed for thousands of years, and yet within one generation, companies are trying to replace it with engineered versions that have zero long-term human studies behind them. No one knows what 30 years of eating engineered protein will do. No one knows how modified cells interact with human gut bacteria. No one knows the generational effects on metabolism or inflammation. We are the test group. We are the experiment. And that's why every single year it becomes more important to support the farms and companies trying to do things the right way. Brands built on transparency, not shortcuts. Companies like ButcherBox, Crowd Cow, Grassroots Farmers Co-op, Rep Provisions, US Wellness Meats, these are real farms, real ranchers, real animals raised the way nature intended. No engineered cells, no hidden shortcuts, no patents. If you care about real meat, these brands are the front line. But the truth is, even this isn't enough. We also need to support local farms, the small-town farmers, the regenerative ranchers, the family-owned operations that don't have marketing budgets or corporate backing. They're the ones who can't and won't replace real meat with engineered alternatives. They're the ones keeping actual farming alive. Here's a rule I live by. If the price of meat seems too good to be true, especially in 2025, it almost always is. Holiday deals make sense. Year-round, super cheap meat? Red flag. This channel exists because the food system is changing faster than people realize. I'm here to help you stay ahead of it, to expose the quiet shifts, decode the labels, and break down how the meat industry is being reshaped without consumers knowing. If you want to follow the truth, not the marketing, and if you want monthly clean eating deals and honest breakdowns, join my email cheat code newsletter. You'll get over 150 deals every month, and if it's not your thing, unsubscribe anytime. And for everything I can't fit into these videos, food box reviews, real meat comparisons, warnings about engineered ingredients, check timbosfoodbox.com. We've lined up 2 popular videos our viewers recommend. You can click them right now. And if anything in this video sparked a reaction in you, fear, curiosity, or motivation, share it.